This is English Conversation Practice for Beginners. Welcome.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Podcast. I'm Mike.
And I'm Sarah. We're so happy you're here today.
Yes. And today is a really good one. We're going to talk about something you use every single day.
Every single day. We're going to talk about how to talk about your day. How was your day? What did you do? Simple, useful, real English.
After this episode, you will be able to answer that question. You'll know what to say. You'll feel more confident.
That's our goal, always. Okay, let's go.
So, Sarah, before we start, can I just say I love this topic?
Me too, because when I started learning English, this was one of my biggest problems.
Really?
Yes, someone would say, "Hey, how was your day?" And I would just say, "Good." That's it, just good.
I think a lot of people do that.
Right? And then the conversation stops. So today, we're going to fix that.
We're going to give you real sentences, natural sentences, things real people say every day.
And if you're new here, welcome to Easy English Podcast. We make English simple, we make it fun, and we make it feel possible.
Because it is possible. Okay, but first, a small favor.
Yes, if you're enjoying this, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps us.
And if you have a friend who is also learning English, share this with them. You can learn together. That's actually really fun.
It is. Okay, Mike, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's do this.
So today's topic is talking about your day. And Mike, why is this important? Tell our viewers.
Okay, so imagine this. You're at work. A coworker says, "Hey, how was your weekend?" What do you say?
Or you're talking to a friend, or a neighbor, or someone at school. They ask, "What did you do today?"
These are very, very common questions. People ask this every day.
And the problem is, in English, there are so many ways to answer. And if you don't know the words, you just freeze.
You freeze. Yes, I know that feeling.
So today, we're going to practice different answers. Short answers, long answers, positive answers, even when your day was not so great.
Real life, right? Not every day is perfect.
Exactly. So this episode, this is for you. Whether you're a beginner or you've been learning for a little while, this will help you, I promise.
Okay, but first, a small favor.
Yes, if you're enjoying this, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps us.
And if you have a friend who is also learning English, share this with them. You can learn together. That's actually really fun.
It is. Okay, Mike, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's do this.
So today's topic is talking about your day. And Mike, why is this important? Tell our viewers.
Okay, so imagine this. You're at work. A coworker says, "Hey, how was your weekend?" What do you say?
Or you're talking to a friend, or a neighbor, or someone at school. They ask, "What did you do today?"
These are very, very common questions. People ask this every day.
And the problem is, in English, there are so many ways to answer. And if you don't know the words, you just freeze.
You freeze. Yes, I know that feeling.
So today, we're going to practice different answers. Short answers, long answers, positive answers, even when your day was not so great.
Real life, right? Not every day is perfect.
Exactly. So this episode, this is for you. Whether you're a beginner or you've been learning for a little while, this will help you, I promise.
Okay, let's start with the most basic question.
The most basic question is, how was your day?
How was your day? 3 words, very simple.
Now, the most basic answer is good, or fine, or okay.
But those answers, they end the conversation, right?
Right. They're not wrong, but they don't help you practice, and they don't help the other person know what to say next.
So let's add a little more. Sarah, how was your day?
My day was good, thank you. I went to the supermarket in the morning. It was busy, but okay.
See? That's much better. She said 3 things. She said it was good. She said what she did. She said how she felt about it.
And it only took, what, 5 seconds?
Maybe 6.
6 seconds, that's it. And now the conversation can continue.
Let's slow that down. My day was good. That's the feeling.
Then, I went to the supermarket. That's the activity, what you did.
Then, it was busy, but okay. That's a detail, a small description.
You can say this, feeling plus activity plus detail. That's the formula.
Okay, let me try. Sarah, how was your day?
How was my day? Go ahead, Mike. You answer first.
Okay. My day was pretty good. I worked in the morning. Then I had lunch at a nice cafe. It was relaxing.
Perfect. See how natural that sounds?
And I used simple words. Pretty good. I worked. I had lunch. Relaxing. Nothing complicated.
You can say these things right now, even if you're a beginner.
Let's look at some starter phrases. You can say, my day was good.
My day was really nice.
My day was a little tired. I was a little tired. Sorry. That's a common mistake. You say, I was tired, not my day was tired.
Oh, that's a great point. The day can be long, the day can be busy, but the person is tired. You are tired.
Exactly. So, my day was long, I was tired.
Good correction. This is what we do on Easy English Podcast. We catch the small mistakes gently because making mistakes is normal.
It's how you learn.
Okay, so now let's talk about activities. What did you do today? This is the second part of the answer, remember?
Right. Feeling, activity, detail.
So, common activities. Mike, give me some examples.
Okay. I went to work. I studied English. I cooked dinner. I watched TV. I took a walk.
These are all very normal, everyday things, and they use the same grammar. I went, I studied, I cooked. These are simple past tense verbs.
Don't worry too much about grammar right now. Just copy the sentences, repeat them, use them.
Yes, just copy and use. That's enough for now.
Sarah, what about you? What do you usually do on a typical day?
Oh, a typical day for me, I wake up, I have coffee, I check my messages. Then in the afternoon, sometimes I go for a walk or meet a friend.
Okay, viewers, did you notice? She said, I wake up, I have coffee, I check my messages. That's present tense. That's for habits, things you do regularly.
And I went for a walk yesterday, that's past tense, for one specific day.
2 very useful patterns. Present for habits, past for specific days.
We'll practice both today. Stay with us, we'll practice again at the end of the episode.
Okay, let's talk about feelings, because talking about your day isn't just about activities. It's also about how you felt.
And this is where it gets really personal and interesting.
So, positive feelings. You can say, I was happy. I was excited. I felt relaxed. It was a great day.
And more neutral feelings, I was okay. I was a little tired. It was a normal day. Nothing special happened.
And if your day was not so good, I was stressed. I was really tired. It was a hard day.
That's real life, and it's okay to say those things.
You don't have to say wonderful every day.
Right. If someone asks, how was your day, and your day was hard, you can say, honestly, it was a tough day. I was stressed at work.
And the other person will probably say, oh no, I'm sorry. What happened?
And now you have a real conversation. That's what we want.
A real conversation. Not a perfect one, a real one.
Mike, tell me, what kind of day makes you happy? Like, what's a good day for you?
Oh, a good day for me is I sleep well, I have a good breakfast, maybe I go outside, maybe I listen to music. Simple things. What about you?
For me, a good day is when I finish everything on my list. I love that feeling.
Oh yes, that's so satisfying.
Viewers, think about your answer. What makes a good day for you? We'll ask you to share that in the comments at the end.
Okay, practical tips now. When someone asks, how was your day? How long should your answer be?
Good question. It depends on the situation.
Right. If it's a coworker in the hallway, short answer. Good, thanks. Busy day. How about you?
See, she answered and then she asked back. That's very natural. How about you or what about you? That's a great phrase.
If it's a friend or family member, you can give a longer answer, share more details, talk about what happened.
And if someone asks but they seem busy, just a short answer. Read the situation.
Sarah, what about when you're on the phone, like talking to your mom, for example?
Oh, on the phone, I always talk a lot. Mom, you won't believe my day. And then 20 minutes later.
Yeah, moms love that.
But in English, on the phone, you can also say things like, I had the craziest day. That means your day was very unusual or very busy.
I had the craziest day. I like that. Very natural.
Or, today was rough. That means it was difficult.
Today was rough. Short, simple, expressive.
Or, on a good day, today was actually really nice. The word actually makes it sound a little surprised, like you didn't expect a good day, but you got one.
Oh, that's a great tip. Actually adds that little extra feeling.
You can say these things, for example, today was actually really nice. I had lunch with an old friend. Simple, natural, real.
Okay, let's practice. We're going to say some sentences. Please repeat after us. Say them out loud. Even if you're alone, say them out loud.
Ready?
Ready. Repeat after me. How was your day?
How was your day?
My day was good, thank you.
My day was good, thank you.
I was a little tired, but it was okay.
I was a little tired, but it was okay.
I went to work in the morning.
I went to work in the morning.
It was a long day.
It was a long day.
How about you?
How about you? Oh, that one is so important. Don't forget to ask back.
Yes, always ask back. It shows you're interested. It keeps the conversation going.
In this situation, someone asks you about your day, you answer, then you say, how about you? Or, what about you? And now it's their turn.
Perfect two-way conversation.
Okay, let's bring it all together. What did we learn today?
We learned how to answer the question, how was your day?
We learned the formula: feeling, activity, detail.
We learned words for positive days. Good, great, relaxing, nice.
Words for hard days: tired, stressed, tough, rough.
We learned to ask back, how about you?
And we learned to use actually for a little extra natural feeling.
That's a lot, and all of it is beginner-friendly. All of it is things you can use tomorrow.
Or today. Go practice today.
Honestly, this episode covered a lot of real, useful English. I'm proud of you for watching all the way through.
Same. Seriously, a lot of people start and don't finish, but you did, and that matters.
Okay, now it's your turn. We want to hear from you.
In the comments below, tell us, how was your day today? Use the sentences from today's episode.
You can write something simple like, my day was good. I studied English. I was happy.
Or, my day was long. I was tired, but I watched Easy English Podcast and now I feel better.
Ha! We love that one.
We read the comments, we really do, and we love seeing your practice.
So please, write your answer below. Even one sentence. That's practice. That's real progress.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today. It really means a lot.
It does. Every time you listen, every time you practice, you're getting better. Maybe slowly, but surely.
And slowly but surely is perfectly fine. Language takes time. Be patient with yourself.
You're doing great. Seriously.
Tomorrow, we have a new episode, and it's a good one. We're going to talk about English phrases you can use everywhere. Daily conversation, any situation, super practical.
You won't want to miss it.
So hit subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss tomorrow's episode.
And until then, keep practicing, keep listening, and keep going.
You've got this. We'll see you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.